Hello, my name is Iladraj, and I'm here to talk about two areas where we have new features for Sun Cluster 3.2 Update 2. The first area is Quorum. In the Quorum area, there's three features that we're adding. The first one is Software Quorum. Software Quorum is a new kind of protocol for supporting Quorum devices that's done entirely in software provided by the Sun Cluster organizations without the use of any SCSI ioctls. This basically means that we can now support any kind of shared disk technology that's out there. You don't have to use just SCSI 2 and SCSI 2 capable disk. The second area we've added is Quorum monitoring. Periodically, we probe the status of all the configured Quorum devices and report failures as we encounter them. The third area, in the Quorum areas, we now automatically take action based upon change in status in Quorum devices. For example, this is useful if you have a Quorum device that's connected by a network. And what we can do is if there's a transient area, we mark it offline, and when it comes back online, we automatically place it back online. And that can be very useful. The next area I want to talk about is a big new area for Sun Cluster, which is zone clusters. With zone clusters, this is a new feature where the zone cluster is a virtual cluster where each virtual node is a cluster brand zone. The zone cluster provides three major features: application fault isolation, security isolation, and resource management for cluster applications. We make use of the knowledge of the global cluster to reduce the amount of work required by the administrator, and we have the ability to administer the entire zone cluster from anywhere with a single command. The most notable feature that we've been able to support with this is Oracle RAC. We've been able to run successfully and independently Oracle RAC 9i, Oracle 10G, and Oracle 11G in separate zone clusters at the same time. And the other nice feature about this new feature is that the virtual cluster feature called Zone Clusters runs on all of the supported Sun hardware, including both x86 and SPARC hardware.